Hello, my name is Seth. This is Jake, and this is
Death by Games.
237.
Hey everyone, before we get into the video, I feel like a lot of the content I released for Grounded, I seem kind of upset or frustrated, and I'm gonna show you why. Here it is.
Hey Alex, please don't kill me while I'm gone. If you don't, I'll give you $2.
Okay, you got yourself a deal.
If you don't kill me, I'll give you $2. And Seth, if you don't kill me, I promise I won't say as many slurs in the next video. Okay?
Too bad.
Do you guys see the floating water too? Or was that just me?
Did I ask? I'll be right back.
Okay, hold on. Recipes. Thank you. Thank you. I really wanted that. Please. Plot. Why? Please.
You do it again. Ow! Ah! Okay.
No, fuck you.
What did I do? What'd I do?
Fuck you.
Go fuck yourself, Alex. You're the one that can't even find a fucking gas mask. Go open the fucking chest.
Of course I found it.
Shut the fuck up, bro. Imagine getting mad over fucking Imagine getting mad over me.
Oh my god, can you guys shut up? You're like an old
not
married
mad.
couple. You're like an old married couple. Shut the fuck up.
Dude,
Yeah, except
I think-
Frankie's
actually,
literally
no, I
never.
Alex, I think Seth's a little angry.
Oh.
Well, let's get back into it.
John, ready?
Oh shit.
Always ready. Oh shit, I almost died. Let me one shot because you rub. Why is there mics?
Ow, bitch!
I can't wait for the gas mask to break and for the gas. But these guys are bitches, anyway. Easy. My gas mask is about to break. Maybe we should have made more than just one per each.
I didn't have enough. You need stink bug parks to make them.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. I guess I could. Uh-oh. Gas mask broke. I wasn't even in the gas, what the fuck?
Oh shit, my gas mask I think just broke too.
Yeah.
No, you still have yours. It looks like.
Yeah, no. I think mine...
Oh, there's
I think
another one.
mine's
There's oh,
broken.
it literally just broke.
Yeah, it like
Heal me.
unclips anyhow. Yeah, I gotta put my... Holy shit, my fucking weapon's gonna break.
Someone heal me,
Fuck.
please. Someone, please. Can someone heal me?
Yeah, Alex
I'm-
is fucking healing you. Calm your fucking
No, he's
tits, dude.
not.
No, I'm not.
Oh shit. Alright, yeah, I'll heal you.
You're fucking retarded.
Go fuck yourself, Alex. Sorry that I wasn't paying attention to everything that you fucking do, you fucking child. God. Imagine being called a fucking child by the one that's younger than all of you. Fuck.
Fuck, I got downed again.
I'm dying.
Oh shit!
What?
Somebody drop a medic bag.
Why are you
the fuck
saying,
is
oh
it?
shit? Oh, I'm down
Get
again.
parried, you filthy fucking casual.
Alright.
Okay, take both those stink bugs and come heal me, please.
As John Halo once said, I need a weapon.
No, you're just retarded.
I need a weapon. Oh, that's a wolf spider right there.
It's kind of funny.
Ow!
I'm going home.
Frankie, come heal me. Frankie, you can come heal me.
I'm waiting for the wolf spider.
Frankie, come heal me.
Got it, buddy.
Okay, guys, let's go inside. Let's go inside the fucking. Okay, never mind.
Okay.
Maybe it would be a wise idea to not go inside right now.
Nah.
I'm not even talking about because I don't have a weapon, but because Alex is a dumbass.
Is your game lagging?
No. There's something in my throat.
Yeah, called your brother's cock.
Soldier. Oh, you're fucking. There's a soldier ant chasing me.
Shut up. Grow up. Grow up, parent. Fight it.
Okay.
I want raw science.
Fuck.
What the fuck?
Dude, this weapon is so overpowered.
What?
The mosquito blade.
It is. That's probably why it has like dog shit fucking durability. You literally just regenerate health. Oh shit, I'm about to die.
Oh, yes. Oh, wait, but these have a timer, don't they?
I don't think so.
Yeah, no, the red ant eggs have a timer on them.
Before what?
Oh, I found rotten beast guards. Before they turn into ants themselves.
Oh.
Did you guys? Hey, if you.
Can't wait to die to a wolf spider.
Shut up, bitch.
Yeah, what Frankie said.
He's
No,
outside.
he's not. He's running away.
Well, go attract him.
I don't want to.
Someone go attract him.
I shut the door. I like it. I fight it. I'll fight it. You know, you just keep shooting.
I got 2 perfect blocks in a row. Fuck this dude.
What a god.
Fuck him up. Fuck, I'm poisoned. Fuck.
That's unfortunate.
I
He's
forgot.
on.
Yeah, take him off me. I need to equip my poison thing real quick.
Okay. Never mind. I just ate shit. I fucked up both perfect blocks. He is camping by the door.
Fuck, I'm out of stamina from. Oh god, he just jumped.
You jumped over the wall. Hey, Seth, res me.
Kilmer
He's
just.
on top of you.
I can see he's on top of the house. I think it's better than being inside of the house.
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, I can see his. Can I get his legs? I think I can get his legs.
Ah, he's about to kill me. Fuck.
I'm trying to hit his legs to the floor. Oh, shut the door behind. Hold on.
Don't even. Just. Did he hit you through the floor?
Yeah, he hit me through the floor.
Safe fur.
He jumped down. He jumped down. Someone come get me.
Hold on,
He's not aggro anymore.
well,
But he's
One
trapped.
second.
fuck.
He is trapped here.
Go get him. I want to see if he healed. If he healed
Imagine
all the
if he,
way.
like-
No, he didn't heal all the way. He didn't heal all the way.
Imagine if he like goes to sleep at day.
I just got the Parry Master mutation.
Oh, nice.
Thank you, Dexter. Oh, I think he just got stunned.
Okay, just he's almost dead. Just fuck him up.
I blocked that. That's bullshit.
Oh, he just healed.
He
Just
healed?
Oh no, he's almost dead now. His health jumped up for a second.
Good shit.
Good job, guys. You did it.
How's your fucking weave looking?
I don't know. I hit it.
There we go.
Oh yeah, he's coming. What the bee doing? I'm just fucking.
Yeah, he's a bitch. Fuck you. Yeah, we're stronger now.
Get the fuck out of here. A picnic biscuit. Get the fuck out of here. Get fucked.
Number 1 victory royale! Yeah, Fortnite is about to get down! Oh! Oh!
Okay, we need to kill more.
Got him.
Ooh, kill him.
Who's he?
Dude, you gotta edit the fucking, like, running in the 90s over that.
Here, Frankie, move.
Ooh.
Frankie, move. Let me just shoot him like you're here.
Just shoot him. You gotta edit running in the 90s over there.
Dead.
Okay, someone go down and grab it because I don't feel like going down there.
Summer's already down there.
Fuck. Now how do I get back?
Welcome to the cum zone. There's some mosquitoes.
Maybe we should
over
find.
right over there.
We should just find our way up there. It might be easier to kill him.
Hey, science.
Yeah, I saw that.
Look at the basket.
Shut the fuck up. I just hit one. It's on its way.
Yeah, he's mad. He's doing the attack. Ooh.
They attack so slow. It's just a really strong attack.
Have to move it. Here, move out of the way.
Elden Ring guy falling. I literally can't do shit to it because he's fucking being a bitch and he's with this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this fat fuck. Fuck off,
Damn,
Barry.
This
Fuck
bow.
off, Barry B. Benson.
Sleeping ones
What's
over-
the-
Oh, there are sleeping ones.
Yeah, there's sleeper ones over here. Remember,
Sleeping bees.
we tried.
Ooh, look at him. I'm helping.
It says requires a chopping tool. Oh, we got one bee stinger. Good.
Excellent.
3,
I love
2,
rolling
1, go.
Maybe he just doesn't take any damage or like deal any damage.
Oh! Rolling.
It's Sonic. He's Sonic.
Basically.
Grass net. Hey,
How
the
much
grass.
damage?
Stay in the grass net. So I don't have to roll it.
Yo, fuck him up.
Immune.
Hold up.
Oh, he's healing. He's healing. He's healing. You have to keep hitting him.
Oh, he's balled up?
Yeah, when he balls up,
Oh,
he
my,
heals.
dude, my fucking hammer does so much damage.
Oh my god, he almost one shot.
Look at how much damage I'm dealing.
Watch out. Yeah, whenever he balls up, we have to keep attacking. Oh my god, he just did half my health.
Dead.
He's dead. Nice.
Roly poly parts, baby. Let's fucking go. I got 4 from him.
Thank you guys for watching. If you guys did like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. If you guys have any suggestions or anything like that, please leave a comment down below. Or if you would like to, you can join the Discord we have, which is in the description below. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you for being here.